morning to everyone. So last class we have discussed concept of electronic displacement and types of electronic displacement, right? So in types of electron displacement, how many types are there? So two important types are there. What? Now one is permanent effect and the second one is what? Temporary effect, right? So further we are classified into permanent effect to three types. Now one is inductive effect and the second one is mesomeric effect and third one is hyperconjugation. Now this are last class we have seen, right? So we have discussed that what is inductive effect and how many types are there. So two types are there. Now one is positive inductive effect and the second one is what? Negative inductive effect. So we have discussed increasing order of that groups, positive inductive effect and increasing order of negative inductive effect we have seen last class, right? So now we are going to discuss about application of inductive effect, right? There are 8 important applications are there in inductive effect, right? So you see now here stability of carbocation. First one is stability of carbocation and the second one is stability of carbon ion, stability of carbon ion, and third one is stability of radical, and the fourth one is acidity of alcohol, fifth one is acidity of carboxylic acid, sixth one basicity of amine, and the seventh one reactivity of molecule, and eighth one is dipole moment in molecule, Now these are the 8 important types are there in application of inductive effect. So each one very important, right? So we will start from stability of carbocation, carbon ion and radical. So you see now stability of carbocation, stability of carbon ion and stability of radical, right? So before going to the examples, once you see now plus I group means what? Means so electron releasing group plus I group or electron donating group, right? So capacity of electron donate to other groups or other atoms, that is what we call plus I groups, right? So once plus I group increases, what about the corresponding that carbocation stability also increases, So next one corresponding the basicity also increases, right? So next one I am taking minus I group. So minus I group means what? Means electron withdrawing group. That means electron taking from other groups or other atoms, that is what we call minus I groups. That means negative inductive effect, right? So once negative inductive effect increases, that means negative inductive group. So minus I group increases, corresponding that carbon ion stability also increases. Next one acidity also increases, either carboxylic acid or that phenol group. So alcohol group, that once that minus I group increases, that corresponding acidity also increases, right? So next one you see here, so plus I group increases. What about carbon ion? So carbon ion stability decreases. So what about acidity? Acidity also here decreases, right? So once carbocation increases, that plus I group increases, carbocation stability increases, basicity also increases, corresponding that carbon ion stability decreases, acidity also decreases, right? So here what? So here carbocation stability what? Decreases, and acidity, here basicity also, now basicity decreases, right? Now these are the important things, right? Once you keep it your mind. Now this is very important. Once you know this concept, we can solve any problem from here. This stability of carbocation, carbon ion, either radical, acidity, basicity, whatever may be. Now this is very important, right? Once again, so plus I group increases, carbocation stability increases, carbon ion decreases. So basicity increases, acidity decreases. So here opposite. So minus group increases, carbanion stability increases, acidity increases, carbocation stability decreases, basicity decreases. Right. So why once plus I group increases, that carbocation stability also increases. Why? Because so here there is no plus I groups, right? There is no plus I groups. Now here one plus I group are present, right? One plus I group are present. So what happening here? Here carbocation present, right? Carbocation here present. That means electron, this carbon having low electron. Why? Because here plus means what? Electron low, electron deficient. The carbon having electron deficient. So because of electron deficient, now this plus I group, electron donate to this carbocation to stabilize, right? Now this carbon become stabilized, right? This carbon become stabilized, right? So here carbocation present, there is no plus I groups, now this carbon become unstable, right? Unstable. So between these two compound, 1 and 2, now this one more and more stable. Why? Because here plus I group present, that plus I group electron donate to this carbocation to stabilize, right? That's why once plus I group increases, corresponding carbocation also increases. Next one we'll see carbanion, right? Carbanion. So how, why minus I group increases, corresponding carbanion increases, minus I group increases, corresponding carbanion stability also increases, right? So you see examples. Now I'm taking carbanion, right? Carbanion, here also one carbanion. Now here hydrogen, here hydrogen. Now this one NO2 present here, NO2, here hydrogen, here one hydrogen, right? Here one hydrogen. So here this one what we call minus I group, that means electron withdrawing group. So here carbanion present, right? Carbanion present, here also carbanion. So here electron withdraw from this carbanion, to stabilize this carbon. So if it is present, if not present, this minus I group, this electron donate to, ready to donate other species. So become this one unstable, That's why once this electron withdrawing group present, now this electron taking this NO2 to stabilize the overall compound, right? That's why this is more and more stable compared to first one. Now this one first one, this one second one. So second one is more stable compared to first one, right? First one. Minus I group increases, corresponding carbanion also increases. Overall, that compound more stable, right? So let's see examples. So here only there is no methyl, right? Only three hydrogens surrounded by 3 hydrogen. Arrays you write like that. Now hydrogen, here also hydrogen, now here also hydrogen, right? So around this carbocation, how many hydrogens? There are hydrogens. Here two hydrogens, one methyl group. Here two methyl group, one hydrogen. There is no hydrogen. All are methyl groups, right? So which one more stable? So this one more stable. Why that one more stable? Why? Because this carbocation to stabilize this methyl compounds, this methyl groups. That's why, because this one plus I groups, Now here 3 plus I group present, right? Here 3 plus I group present. Here only 2 plus I group are present. Here 1 plus I group present, right? Here there is no plus I group. That's why this is more stable compared to this one. Now compared to that first one, this is more stable. So once plus I group increases, corresponding stability also increases, right? So you see this one here all are carbanions, right? So now once here plus I group increases, what about carbanion? So plus I group increases, carbanion stability decreases, right? Carbanion stability decreases. Here 1 plus I group present, here 2 plus I group are present, here 3 plus I group are present, right? 3 plus I group present. So which one more stable? So once plus I group increases, corresponding carbanion stability decreases. Now this one more stable compared to this one, right? So first one is more stable, remaining is this one least stable, right? So why? Because plus I group increases, corresponding stability decreases, right? Next one you see radical, right? Radical formation are given. Same I am taking here 3 methyl group are present, here 2 methyl group. That means electron donating capacity, electron donating group, here also electron donating group 2, here 1, right? So once plus I group increases, that radical formation also increases. Why? Because this both are carbocation and radical formations, both are electron deficient species, So this one once plus I group increases, corresponding that radical stability also increases, right? Now this one more stable. This is the increasing order of that radical formation, right? So next one, this examples, right? Here 3 examples are given, 1, 2, and 3 examples given. In this one, first one carbocation stability they are given, right? So carbocation stability, here what? Here minus I group are present. Here 3 minus I group are present, right? Now minus I group present. Here 2 minus I group present. Now 2 minus I group. This one there is no minus I group, right? So which one more stable? Now what about minus I group increases, corresponding carbocation stability? So carbocation stability decreases. Now this one once increases, carbocation stability decreases. That's why. So which one less minus group having? There is no minus group here, so that is more stable. Next one, there only 1 minus group present. Here 2 minus group, but this one least one, right? So this is the increasing order of that carbocation stability, right? Next one, here also 3 minus group present. So both are electron deficient species, either carbocation or radical species. Now same this one also order of increasing order of stability of radical, right? So next one here carbanion present. So once minus I group present, right? Minus I group increases. What about carbanion? So carbanion stability also increases. So here 3 minus I group are present. Now this one more stable. Next one this one. Next one this one, right? So here there is no minus I group. This one least stable, right? So these are the important examples from carbocation, carbanion, and the radicals, right? So you see these examples also. Now here 2 examples are given, right? Carbocation, stability of carbocation. Here once you see this all parent chain are same, right? 3 compounds given. So 3 compounds parent chains are same. Here carbocation present, right? Carbocation, right? So here only this group are different, right? So this group are different. Here tertiary butyl given, here isopropyl, here methyl compound given. So these 3 groups are generally plus I groups, right? Plus I groups. So which one more plus I? Now tertiary butyl has more plus I greater than now isopropyl. Now isopropyl has so more plus I group compared to that methyl group. So corresponding compound also more stable, right? So this is a more stable compound compared to that two. So if you want to increase right increasing order, you write like that, right? So this one more stable compared to this two, right? So next one you see now here carbocation given. So here this NO2, here CN, here methyl group, right? So here this one minus I group. Now this one also minus I group. This one also plus I group. This one plus I group. So compared to this two, you see this here. So here NO2 given, right? NO2 given, here CN. So which one more minus I group? So here NO is more minus group compared to that CN, right? So generally, so once plus I, so minus I group increases, what about carbocation stability? Carbocation stability decreases. So this one more and more plus minus I group. That's why I am taking this one 1, this one 2, this one 3, right? 3 compound. So 3 compound is more stable compared to this 2. Why? Because here plus I group present. Plus I group as present. That's why this compound is more stable. So corresponding stability also more stable, right? So next one here NO2 CN given. So NO2 has more minus I group. That's why this one is next stable, right? So second one is more stable compared to this first one. The first one is last one, right? First one is last one. Now this is the increasing order of that carbocation stability. Now answer is this one, right? So using these examples, now here three examples are given, 1, 2, 3, three examples. So about carbocations or carbanion. So here all are carbanions, right? All are carbanions. Here using your NH4 group, here NO2 group, here Cn group, right? So all are minus I group, right? So once minus I group increases, corresponding carbanion stability also increases, right? Carbanion stability also increases. Now this between these three, now NH4, NO2, Cl. So which one more minus I group? Now NH4 is more minus I group, right? So next one NO2, next one Cl, right? Cl. So once minus I group increases, corresponding carbanion also increases. That's why this one more minus I group present here. That's why this one more stable. Next one, this one more stable, right? So you see here, a triple bond, a double bond, a single bond present, right? Triple bond, single bond, triple bond, double bond, single bonds, right? So once here S character is 50%, so 50%, here 33% of S character, right? S character, here only 25%. So once S character increases, corresponding carbanion also increases, carbanion stability also increases, S character increases, right? So this one more stable compared to this two, right? So you see now here fluorine, chlorine, bromine present, fluorine, chlorine, bromine present. So once electronegativity increases, corresponding carbanion also increases, corresponding carbanion stability also increases. Now this is the order of increasing order of that carbanion stability, right? So these are the important examples from carbanion, carbocation and the radical formations, right? So next class we will see about acidity of alcohol and acidity of carboxylic acid, right? So thank you for watching.